Hello, welcome to my first video where I'm actually going to show what I'm going to create. In this video I'm going to show this creation, which is anti-air air. This is a VTOL that has flame cannons on it. And the reason I didn't choose airplane is because the flame cannons don't work well as good when you're on an airplane. So I chose a VTOL to put some flame cannons on. Each flame cannon is controlled by the left and right mouse. So here's the left mouse and here's the right mouse. W is forward, A turn left, D turn right. That shift is to go down and space to go up. Sometimes in this creation when you try to go up, it doesn't go up as well because you're going forward in the quantum rudder. Let me put a flying object in there. So I just built an object that just hovers at a distance. I haven't tested it on this vehicle on with other players. I only tested with these sort of things. So, you stay still, and then you use your mouse in the vehicle. Let me just get closer. There we go. It auto, and I'm currently firing at it. It could also go away from the thing that you're aiming. And be careful when you're aiming backwards. It might aim at itself. But this is the anti-air aircraft. Ridiculous name, I know. There's one more thing that I want to show you. This vehicle also has automatic landing gear. If I get close enough to the ground, the landing gear pops out, and it stops the flank cannons from aiming. If you want this creation, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, probably wouldn't push it. Maybe I will, but that's all for today's video.